Thermaltake Black Widow Dual hard drive docking station. Now let's undress the Black Widow with a box cutter. This supports both SATA and USB. The box contains. This is actually rather large for the docking station. Let's open it here. So at the back you can see the SATA connection. This will be the USB 2.0 connection, and this is the power supply. And on the top there is two docking stations. So you support both the 3.5 inch and the 2.5 inch, which is the notebook hard drive, and you can put two hard drives in there. So your computer has to support multi-port in order to use the both docks of the docking station. And within the box you can also find the adapter here, and a SATA cable, and also a USB cable. This one is the SATA cable, and this one is the USB 2.0 cable. So let's see how it works. Okay, I'm going to connect it to a USB 2 connection, and I'm going to put two hard drives into this docking station. At the top you can see there's two ejection buttons. That's to eject the hard drive, and since SATA hard drives are hot swappable, so you don't really need to turn off the power when you eject the hard drive. And here there's a one power button, but it has two power lights for both of the hard drive. Okay, let me put the hard drive in there. Okay, first hard drive done. Second hard drive done. Less than 2 seconds. And to turn it on, I press this power button here, and then wait for about 10 seconds. Yep, that is the sound that my hard drive had just connected. Both my hard drive is connected to my computer now. I'm copying files from my local hard drive to the docking station, and the speed is about 15 meg per second, which is about normal. Like it is normally I can get about 30 meg per second, but since this is not this really depends on the size of the file. If you have a very large file, they usually copy faster than if you have a bunch of the smaller files. Okay, I'm copying a large file now, and you can see the speed is like 97 meg per second, which is because it's cached. That's why it's so fast. So so the average speed, I think it would be for normal is around 30 meg per second. Oh, I am going to copy it between the two drives. And the copy speed is about 30 meg per second, which is very normal for USB drive. So I'm just copying from hard drive 1 on the docking station to hard drive 2 on the same docking station. Unfortunately, when I connect my docking station to my SATA port, it only supports one hard drive. That's because my SATA port does not support port multiplier. The power indicator and the hard drive reading light, they are the same. and the power button is a little bit hard to press, so you have to press it firmly if you want to turn it off. Another undocumented feature seems to be that if you disconnect your eSATA connection or the USB connection, the unit will actually turn itself off. So let me just disconnect it. And you can hear a click sound. That's when the unit turns itself off. So when you turn off your computer, you don't have to turn off the docking station, because it will simply, when it detects no signal, you will turn off both of the hard drive. And when I connect my computer with the one SATA drive, with the eSATA cable, the copy speed is about 70 meg to 80 meg, which is what I expected from an eSATA connection. So this is the message you will see if your eSATA port does not support port multiplier. It means that only a storage device was connected. If this device is a port multiplier, only port 0 of the port multiplier will be active, so you will only see one hard drive. So that's the case for me, and it's very unfortunate. So if I want to see two hard drives, I have to use the USB connection. If I use my eSATA connection, I can only see the first one of the second hard drive. That's the hard drive in the front, not the one at the back.